Hi everyone, so I'm back. I so reveal that this is the part 2 of the video. Now, I finally found out like so cute. Oh, wow, I'm so cute. But last time I picked this Mr. Face with cute toothpaste. Oh, oh my gosh. And this is my fear. My fear is getting crushed. Oh my god. This video will maybe have 5 parts. I don't know. Because there's literally 11. What? I think it's supposed to be going up there. Going like backwards. It just gave me a heart attack. Amber. Wait, I just saw someone fall. Oh my gosh. I didn't. Guys, Monday. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Roblox game. Falling cat hat or Halloween haircut? Like, so cute. It's so cute. It's like a pumpkin and like for kitty. Just like a head like that. Bump your head. Orange wing or cute black cat with pumpkin. Where's it? Oh, it's so cute. So cute. If I'm not recording, I would usually fall. If I am recording, I would never fall. Never where I just fall. Where I just fall. Let's see. Looks like, oh my gosh, why did it even do that? I thought there was a ladder back. Okay, we're almost to the top, and now there we go. Oh my gosh. Dun, dun. That was my voice. Okay. Oh yeah, I can. Hallelujah. Okay, Christmas outfit set one, a Christmas outfit set two. I want to be an elf more than a grand, a grandpa. Yeah, because whatever happens, whatever the news, just like both. Can you? Oh yeah, you can. You, that just gave me a heart. Giving me a heart attack. I took it. Yes. Yeah, I own this. Okay. Wow! Warm beige hair or gray? This? I knew I picked a good one. I thought I thought it's almost Halloween stuff that this is like color pick. Okay, catching snowflakes or toothpaste. Toothpaste. Oh, if you're home. And if you guys are wondering who's the first subscribe me, it's actually my friend Jelly or my friend. I just know. Okay, Christmas aura are cute in their house. Christmas aura. Wait, Christmas aura. You can put on both? Okay, but I how did I not even know that? You can put on both then? What? Okay, what backpack of Christmas candy corn? This one. Why would I know that? Um, um, okay, okay. Ooh, oh my! It another one. Okay, we completed that. So now we are here and wow! What? Wait, what if I? Oh, you can use my gravity coil. I can't use this. This is really helpful when I fall. Because when I fall, just bye bye. No, no, I'm not. Okay, cute pink wrap top with jeans or flower jean with white neck. This one is the why would I want it? I love flowers. Why not? So I think the jeans is going to be. You know what I'm gonna do for the next video? I will recreate an outfit and dress impress. Okay, black hair or mermaid cotton hair cotton? Mermaid hair cotton. Okay, this one. Like and subscribe if you're an icon. If you're not. Just kidding. I'm not also, but I just miss please because it's so catchy. Touch, and if I can make it match. I know how to pick it up. Okay. Anime face pink plus blue eye, but there's purple, no pink. Cute face pink blows. This one. Oh, looks so good. Find your picture to choose from. Pick the best one. Oh! Wait, wait, wait. No. Wait! This is like magic carpet. What? See? You can! What? Oh my gosh, I am having the best life ever. Oops! I'm having the best life ever. Whee! Okay, I'm serious. Okay, be right back. Okay guys, we're back and this video is just, I'm only in the fourth and I'm already having so much. Oh my gosh, that was fast. Wait, I could use this gravity coil to cheat. Just kidding. I don't even need to climb. Cute white hat with anchor or flower pink aura. No, no. Wait, I didn't even know it. You know what? I hate this. I hate this. I hate this. This tower is so hard. Wait. So guys, so I've been, so I forgot where the part is. Wait, I forgot what part it is, but just completed it, and this is, and I have to just change it, film it, because my bond is just too bad. So I take another one. I was having fun with the Pearl 180 a cute bunny backpack or hello black pink backpack. I'm sorry, but I love black too, but I couldn't help it. It's so cute and it matches my fit. I don't have anything black except my hair. Wait, we're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. Yep. Keep falling. Yeah! Whoever are you? To replace snow. This is autumn. This is autumn. Sorry. Okay, so now let's go. I think this is my last video. My last video. Because I'm gonna make a part 2. Okay. Would you rather cucumber fit with black stripe or orange faded pink? I don't wear like that, so I wear this. Because I wear this too much. And I hate my screen is sticking to the wall. I'm just gonna do this. Oh my gosh. I know every color is making me hard. Making me hard. No. The question is, when I land here, I just stick to this. Orange hair, half black. Or orange, half black, orange. This is not that bad, but I'm kind of feeling this one now. Try that. My mom cut my hair and put this like tiny bit, and she just say okay, and then she take a huge chunk. Oh my gosh, no. Wait, wait, no, cannot be. Wait, no, it's okay. I didn't mean that. I didn't mean it. Fox ears or plaid hat? This one is yours. So let's do the fox ears. Yo, hell no. Oh no. Now I have to stop with this. I'm stuck with this now. Really, bro? This is ugly. Ugly. Oh, where's this other person? I was just curious. Imagine I'm a big balloon beauty. Catch a butterfly or I'm tired. I'm tired, girl. And if you guys know who's the uh be right back. So guys, it's been a while now, so I think the video will be paused now and see